Here's a 2018 4-ton Lennox T-Class heat pump running in heat mode. Really cold air. There's the logo. This one was just running, but it just shut down. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. And it's 31 degrees outside. Wait, 32 actually. I can't tell, is that actually getting frozen, or is that just the style of the coil? Here's the data. 2018 4-ton. Burning hot. Wow. Okay. And here's this bigger one. This is like a 5-ton from 2006, I would think. Now it could be like a 2-ton. Oh, this one's fired up. This is like a 5-ton from 2006. And this one is a 5-ton from 2020. So now she has a Copeland scroll. Data's gone. Touch the line. It's not hot yet. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.